Hey y'all, what time is it? Oh. Oh. It's griddling time. Yay! It's also almost sunset. It is sunset. Look at that. Ain't it purty? Yes, it's purty. Anyway, let's get back to the griddle, shall we? What are we doing tonight? The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world. We're making stir fry. Uh, it's hard to take over the world doing stir fry, but we'll try. We've got fresh pork, natural, for a stew, fresh. We've got some veggies already cut and ready to go because I like the assortment they give us. Let's start with the pork. Uh-oh. I don't think we need that. I could be wrong. We may need it later. Just kind of break that up a little bit. Well, I know, Baja. Put that there. Got some wipes because yucky pork on my fingers. And let's sprinkle some of my salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, and secret seasonings on here. Just to give it some oomph. Everyone likes some oomph. Baja likes oomph. I could have cut these up maybe in half, but they shrink a lot, and I don't want to. It really will shrink quite a bit. That one could stand a little cutting. So we got the veggies, we got hoisin, we got soy, we got oyster, we got sesame oil, we got some baby corn nuggets and some sliced water chestnuts, because they go good with it. Yeah, and we have some noodles that I cooked up. What kind of noodles? They were from the dollar, everything's a dollar store. Egg noodles or something. That's about as detailed as I can get. Sorry. So, the veggies. There's zucchini, there's squash, there's onion, there's pepper, there's cauliflower, there's broccoli, and pepper, and I don't know what else. All good stuff. I think it's actually a for steaming assortment. They have a stir fry assortment, but I like the steam assortment better. Don't you? Me too. Aha, see that? They're trying to stick together, trying to fool me. Gotta watch those guys. Hopefully we can finish this while there's still enough light to see. Hopefully. We can turn this side down a little. Baby corn nuggets, yay! Let me go behind you here. And open the can so you don't see me making a mess and splashing it everywhere. As far as you know, it's not really happening. If you haven't seen it before, this is our handy dandy little Joseph can opener. We like it. You know what? Let's drain this. Okay. Baby corn. I love baby corn. I love adult corn. I love teenager corn. But baby corn goes best with stir fry. I love adult corn on the cob, which does really great on the griddle, by the way. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. Okay, that's the cooking. We got some sliced water chestnuts. Where'd you put my can opener? Stop trying to hide it. Okay. La 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 la. Oh, beautiful evening, huh? The sun's gone down. We got some foggy clouds moving in. That's what it's like when you live in the mountains. Life in the clouds. We wake up in the mornings now and there's clouds around us. Okay, I drained the chestnuts. Oh, we. So we got the pork coming along. Look at the nice browning. I just love the sear you get on the griddle. Oh, the pork is smelling really good. Start tossing this around a little bit more. Don't those veggies look yummy? Yes, they do. I'm glad you agree. Take a poll. Who says the veggies look good? Okay, it's unanimous. Thank you for participating. We'll add some more of my salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, and other seasoning. What else should we add? I think we should try chopping some of the big pieces of pork. Maybe, maybe not. It's another reason to love the griddle. You just chop it up. I could have done it inside before I cooked. I thought they were smaller. It's okay. There's no right way and no wrong way. Unless you do it different from me, then it's the wrong way. See how easy? Maybe you can't because my spatula's in your way, but trust me, sharp knife, not going to hurt the griddle top. See how easy? Just a couple of quick cuts. And I'm only cutting like a couple of the bigger pieces, so I think we're done. What do you think? Maybe this piece? Yes, I could have done it inside. It's okay. It's no big deal. No reason to get all upset about it. That's why we have, well, we don't all have Blackstone. But probably what, 90% of you, 85%, 75? Take a vote. Everyone with the Blackstone, hold. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 85%. Oh, I lost the corn. Oh. What time is it? Oh. Okay, we got the veggies going good. Should we add some noodles? Or should we add some sauce? Let's add some noodles. Like I said, these were egg noodles from the dollar store. And, break them up a little bit, spread them around. Spread out. Oh, wise guy, huh? Hey, Mo, wise guy. Yeah. No, Baja, I'm not spilling any. Fork for you. So, hoisin. Hoisin's great for stir fry. It's almost time for more. And I just bought the oyster sauce a day or two ago. You smell? I used to live in Apalachicola, which is the home of oyster. I know my oysters. The best oysters come from Apalachicola. Apalachicola, Florida. That doesn't smell like oysters. By the way, if you get a chance to watch Andy Griffith in one of his early movies, oh gosh darn it, okay, why don't y'all look up Andy Griffith movies for me? We'll wait. A face in the crowd, thank you. If you get a chance to see Face in the Crowd, con artist Andy is on his way to Apalachicola because he knows what's going on. Beautiful little town. At least it was until all the tourists found it. Damn Yankees. I know. I feel the same way, Baja. Okay. A little bit of soy. I'm trying a combination of the sauces just to see. Maybe it'll provide some depth. Maybe next time I'll just do the oyster sauce solo to give it a shot. But I'm really thinking the combination of the three may be really, really good. That's what I'm thinking. So, the water chestnuts like sticking to the spatula. And that's about all we've got. I finish off at the very end with the sesame oil. And we're just about at the end. Shall we double check? Let's see. Try an ear of corn maybe. Let me chef this corn here. Oh man. Okay. Y'all were right trying to talk me into the oyster sauce. That corn liked it. Oh, And if the corn likes it, I like it. That's my theory. So, we're finished. We'll turn everything off. We'll splash on some sesame oil. It's a finishing oil. And that's it, y'all. We have supper. Just in time for after sunset. Ooh. Would you like to take a closer look? Of course you would. Let me take it off of the stand. And let's change our lenses. Look at that. Yummy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Close up! Close up! Close up! Doesn't that look good? It smells good. Okay. Thanks for watching once again. You see the fog there? Clouds, fog. Sometimes it's hard to differentiate between clouds and fog up here in the mountaintop. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Come back again, and we'll see you next time. Bye!